2. No, it's 4.
4?
Yeah, it's 4. It's not 2. It's 4. It's still 4. Still 4. We should go 3, maybe 3. Okay. Now 4. Yeah. Oh.
等会儿得说 neutral.
Yeah. Hold on. I need the clutch in. I didn't clutch in yet. Okay, neutral. Good. Very good. Okay. 1. Two. 3. Good. Very good. I need 4 scale actually. 4. 4. Yeah, it's working. It's worked.
And it's almost neutral.
Okay, neutral now. You got it. You basically got the whole idea. Very nice.
得说跟我说，然后我那个喷儿，得说弄很 fast， 我其实也能反应得出来。
Okay, 1. There's no car here. Let's go. 2.
等会儿 neutral。我看
3. Very nice. Okay, neutral. Slide to this place.
Let it slide.
Yeah, let it slide.
然后慢慢的 slow down.
2. Okay, no, it's 4.
Wow, why is it an X? 4. Wow, why is this Jeep headlight an X?
Yeah, it's headlight 3. 3. Okay, 2. It's 2 now. No, it's still 4. Hold on. Let me try. Yeah.
说出了那个Let me handle it from now.
Okay. Okay, 2. No, it's still 4. It's still in the 4. 2. Go back to neutral. No, it's 4. It's 4. It's not 2. Go back to neutral.
Yeah, I did.
No, it's still 4.
Oh, okay, I got it.
I can hear the sound. I know the difference. If go 4 is too, the RPM is too low.
Now what?
With this guy. Let's go back neutral. Okay, 1. Oh no, let me do it.
This R 飞，爸爸，我试下那个 R 飞。
R 星？
那个 R。
OK。
现在 R 对吧
？2是这样，这个抬起来。 你手太小了，不大好挂这个R。我来吧。You can hear the sound. B is means in the neutral. Reverse. Oh no. Let's go neutral. Go neutral. Fine.
I missed this one.
Oops, let's go here.
Just go forward.
I'm waiting for this guy.